Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Miele brand tumble dryer and you're getting a fault F157. So what is this error and what can we do to get rid of it? So first of all, the error itself, the F157, is when the machine is detecting an open circuit somewhere. So in this case, it's the refrigerant temperature sensor that's downstream of the condenser. Unfortunately, there's not a lot that we can do other than calling a technician to come look at it. But before you do that, there is something that's quick and easy that you can try that might get rid of this error. And that is, whenever you're getting one of these electronic faults, just like a computer that's not acting right, sometimes doing a hard reset will actually just clear out the error. So I would do that first. So to do that, it's real simple. We're just going to come in, we're going to turn the dryer off. And then we're just going to disconnect it from power completely. Either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit if it's hardwired, and leave it off for a full minute. Once that minute's up, you can restore power, turn it back on, and see if that doesn't clear out the error. And hopefully it does. If it doesn't, like I said, you're going to need to call someone to come fix it. But sometimes this will clear it out. So I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.